Hello, can you help me with my old phone?
Hello, I am Megan. What is wrong with it?
The screen is completely black. It does not turn on.
Let me see. Did you drop it in water?
No, I did not. It just stopped working yesterday.
I see. The glass is also very broken.
Yes, I dropped it on the street. It was a bad fall.
I need to check the battery. It might be dead.
I tried to charge it, but the light stayed off.
Maybe the charging port is dirty. Dust is a big problem.
Is it expensive to fix? I have a small budget.
I don't know yet. I must open the case first.
Please be careful with it. It has my old photos.
I am always very careful. Your data is very important.
Thank you, Megan. You look like a professional.
I have 10 years of experience. I love fixing things.
That is great to hear. I love this old phone.
Newer phones are faster, but old phones are simple.
I like simple things. They're easy to use.
I am taking my magnifying glass. Let's look closer.
Can you see anything? Is the motherboard okay?
It looks a bit dusty. I will clean it now.
Does dust stop the phone? That is very strange.
Yes, dust can block the electricity. It's like a wall.
I should clean my things more. I am sorry.
Don't be sorry. It happens to everyone.
Do you have the parts if I need a new screen?
I have many parts in the back. Let me check.
I will wait here. I am not in a hurry.
Good. I will be back in 2 minutes. I am back now. I have a new screen.
That was very fast. You are very organized.
I like to keep my tools ready. Now look here.
Oh, the inside of a phone is tiny. Everything is small.
Yes, these screws are like salt grains. I use a magnet.
Why do you use a magnet? To keep them safe?
Yes, if a screw falls, it is gone. I never find it.
That would be a problem. My phone needs all screws.
Look at this orange wire. It is very thin.
Is that the wire for the screen? It looks broken.
You are right, Tom. It is torn in the middle.
Can you fix a wire or do I need a new one?
I can replace the whole part. It is better and safer.
How long does it take? Can I wait here?
It takes about 20 minutes. You can sit down.
I will watch you work. It is very interesting.
Most people just look at their watches. You are curious.
I like to know how things work. It is cool.
I am using my small screwdriver now. I am very slow.
Slow is good for repair. Speed is for racing cars.
That is a funny thought. You are right.
Is the battery still okay or is it old?
The battery is a bit swollen. That is not good.
Swollen like a small pillow?
Yes, it can be dangerous. It might get very hot.
Oh no, please change the battery too. I want safety.
I will add a new battery. Your phone will be like new.
That makes me very happy. Thank you for checking.
It is part of the service. I want you to be safe.
You are a very kind person, Megan.
Now the phone is open. I can see the motherboard.
Is the green board okay? It looks very complex.
The board is perfect. It only needs a new cable.
That is good news. The brain is still alive.
Yes, your photos are safe. They're on this chip.
I have photos of my dog. His name is Buster.
I love dogs. What kind of dog is Buster?
He is a golden retriever. He is very fluffy.
That is my favorite breed. They are very friendly.
He is my best friend. I have many videos of him.
I will make sure you see them again. Don't worry.
Why do phones break so easily? They are fragile.
They are made of glass and thin metal. It is delicate.
My old phone feels heavy, but it is still weak.
Gravity is the enemy of phones. Concrete is even worse.
I will buy a thick case, a very strong case.
I have some rugged cases here. They're like armor.
Armor for a phone? That sounds very cool.
It protects the corners. The corners are the weak spots.
I didn't know that. I always look at the screen.
If the corner hits the ground, the screen breaks.
Physics is very difficult, but you understand it well.
I studied electronics for 3 years. It is my passion.
It is good to have a passion. You look happy.
I am happy when I fix things. It feels like magic.
It is a useful kind of magic. We need phones.
Yes, everyone is lost without a phone. It is true.
I felt very lonely yesterday. I couldn't call anyone.
Now you can call your friends soon. I am starting now.
I am ready. Let the magic begin.
I am turning on my desk lamp. The light is bright.
It is like a small surgery. You have a steady hand.
I drink tea, not coffee. It helps my hands stay still.
That is a smart tip. I drink too much coffee.
Coffee makes people jumpy, not good for tiny screws.
I will remember that. I am watching your screwdriver.
I am removing the old screen. The glass is sharp.
Be careful with your fingers. Wear some gloves?
No, I need to feel the parts. I am very careful.
The old screen is off now. It looks like trash.
It goes to the recycling bin. We protect the earth.
That is very responsible. I like your shop, Megan.
Thank you. It is a small business. I try my best.
Now you are putting the new screen. It is very shiny.
I must connect the tiny wire. This is the hard part.
I will be very quiet. I will not move.
Did you hear that? The cable is connected.
Yes, I heard a small click. Is that a good sound?
It is the best sound. It means the connection is perfect.
Now you are putting the battery, the new safe one.
Yes, this battery is fresh. It will last a long time.
I am so excited. I want to see the logo.
Wait, I must put the screws back. All 10 screws.
1, 2, 3. You are very fast now.
4, 5, 6. Almost there, Tom. Don't worry.
7, 8, 9. Where is the last one?
It is here on my magnet. Number 10 is in.
The phone is closed. It looks brand new now.
I am cleaning the glass with a cloth. It is perfect.
Now is the moment of truth. Press the button.
I am pressing the power button. 1, 2, 3.
The screen is white. I see the Apple logo.
It is working perfectly. The colors are very bright.
I am so happy. You are a genius, Megan.
I am just a mechanic, but I am happy for you.
Look, there's Buster on the wallpaper. He is cute.
He is a very handsome dog. Look at that smile.
I have all my messages too. Nothing is lost today.
Your data is safe. The repair was a success.
Does the touchscreen work? Can I try it?
Yes, try to swipe the screen. It should be smooth.
It is very fast. It is faster than before.
The new screen is high quality. It reacts very quickly.
Can I test the camera? I want a photo of us.
Of course. Let's take a victory photo together.
Smile, Megan. You are the hero of the day.
Cheese! The photo looks very clear.
I will send this to my mom. She was worried too.
Moms always worry. It is their job, I think.
She will be happy. She loves this old phone.
Is it a gift from her? It has sentimental value.
Yes, she gave it to me for my birthday 3 years ago.
That is a beautiful story. I am glad it is fixed.
I will never drop it again. I promise you that.
Accidents happen, but try to be careful on the street.
I will use 2 hands and a very strong case.
Good plan. Do you want the armor case now?
Yes, please. Give me the strongest blue case.
Here it is. It is blue like your t-shirt.
Perfect. Now my phone is a superhero in armor.
Okay, let's look at the total bill.
I hope it is not too much. I have $60.
The screen was 40. The battery was 20.
That is exactly 60. Oh, what about your work?
Today is my shop's birthday. The work is free.
Really? That is amazing. Happy birthday to your shop.
Thank you, Tom. I like to help nice people.
You are too kind. Can I give you a small tip?
No, thank you. Just tell your friends about me.
I will tell everyone. Megan's Magic Shop is the best.
It is just Megan's Repairs, but I like your name.
I am paying $60 now. Here is the cash.
Thank you, Tom. Here is your receipt and a warranty.
A warranty? For how long? Is it 1 month?
It is for 3 months. If it breaks, I fix it free.
That is very professional. You are a great businesswoman.
I try to be honest. Honesty is good for business.
I agree. I will come back for my laptop later.
Is your laptop broken too? What happened to it?
It is just very slow. It needs more memory, I think.
I can fix that easily. Bring it on Monday.
I will. Monday morning at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. I will have my tea ready. No coffee.
No coffee for the master, I understand.
Have a wonderful weekend with Buster and your phone.
Thank you, Megan. Have a great shop birthday party.
I will have a small cake and some quiet time.
Goodbye. See you on Monday with the laptop.
Goodbye, Tom. Take care of that armor.
I am walking out with a working phone. I am happy.